Very good morning.
गुड मॉर्निंग भाई।
3.7.20.
करेक्ट। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय.
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय.
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय।
ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय.
नष्ट प्रायेषु अभद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेव्या भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवती नैष्ठिकी। 20। तुम पढ़
जी
रही हो, मैं पढ़ूँ? हाँ।
जी, मैं पढ़ रही हूँ जी.
अच्छा।
जी. दुरापा ही अल्प तपसा सेवा वैकुंठ वतर्मसु यत्रोप गीयते नित्यं देव देवो जनार्दनः.
द्वापा हल्पस सेवा वैकुंठ वर्तमसु यत्रोपगीयते नित्यं देव देवो जनार्दन।
जी. Persons whose austerity is meager can hardly obtain the service of the pure devotees who are progressing on the path back to the kingdom of Godhead, the Vakunthas. Pure devotees engage 100% in glorifying the Supreme Lord, who is the Lord of the demigods and the controller of all living entities. तो ये जो उन्होंने कहा है कि
हम्म।
person whose austerity is meager can hardly obtain the service of the pure devotees who are progressing on the path back to the kingdom of Godhead, the Vaikuntha. यानी कि ये जी जो इस पाथ में बहुत सिंसियरिटी के साथ आगे नहीं बढ़ रहे हैं उनके लिए कह रहे हैं ना जी.
भाई अब ये यहाँ पर ऑस्टेरिटी इज मीगर, मतलब जो बहुत कम त्याग कर रहे हैं, बहुत कम त्याग कर रहे हैं,
हम्म.
ऐसा लगता है। ऑस्टेरिटी का तो मतलब यही होता है।
जी.
ऑस्टेरिटी का तो कि मतलब जो जो तप कर रहे हैं बहुत कम टाइप का, ऐसा लगता है।
Okay. Pure devotees engage 100% in glorifying the Supreme Lord, who is the Lord of the demigods and the controller of all living entities.
मतलब वो इस प्योर डिवोटीज को इस टाइप के लोग जो है इम्प्रेस नहीं कर पाते हैं, ऐसा लगता है।
जी. The path of liberation, as recommended by all authorities, is to serve the Mahatma, transcendentalist. As far as Bhagavad Gita is concerned, the Mahatmas are the pure devotees who are on the path of Vaikunt, the kingdom of God, and who always chant and hear the glories of the Lord rather than talk of dry, profitless philosophy. This system of association has been recommended since time immemorial, but in this age of quarrel and hypocrisy, it is especially recommended by Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Even if one has no assets of favorable austerity, if he nevertheless takes shelter of the Mahatmas who are engaged in chanting and hearing the glories of the Lord, he is sure to make progress on the path back home, back to Godhead.
हाँ, यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा क्लैरिफाई किया है प्रभुपाद ने। मतलब वो मतलब थोड़ा सा कहा है कि नहीं, ऐसा पूरा नहीं है। कलयुग में तो बड़ा मुश्किल है। अगर आप खाली इन महात्माओं की बातें सुनते रहें तब भी
हम्म.
आपका कल्याण हो सकता है।
हम्म. जी. हाँ. षष्ठ क्या लिखा है? षष्ठ
श्रेष्ठ श्रेष्ठाव्र श्रेष्ठ वाग्रे श्रेष्ठ वाग्रे श्रेष्ठ
वाक्ये
वाग्रे।
महदादीनि स सविकाराण्यनुक्रमात् तेभ्यो विराज मुद्धृत्य तमनु प्राविश विभुः.
श्रेष्ठ श्रेष्ठवाग्रे महदादिनी सविकारण्यनुक्रमात् तेभ्यो विराज मुदधृत्य तमनु प्रविश्य द्विभु
जी, after creating the total material energy, the Mahatattva, and thereby manifesting the gigantic universal form with senses and sense organs, the Supreme Lord entered within it.
हम्म
Fully satisfied by the answer of sage Maitreya, Vidur wanted to understand the remaining portion of the creative function of the Lord, and
हम्म
he took the clue from the previous topic.
हम्म हम्म
यमा पुराद्यम पुरुषम सहस्त्रांग घ्रूर बाहुकम यत्र विश्व इमे लोकाः सविकाशम त आसते.
यमाहुराद्यम पुरुषम सहस्रांड धृयूरबाहुकम यत्र विश्वम इमे लोका सविकाशम त आसते.
जी, the Purush incarnation lying on the causal ocean is called the original Purush in the material creation, and in his Virat form, in whom all the planets and their inhabitants live, he has many thousands of legs and hands. The first Purush is uh, Karnodakshai Vishnu. The,
कर्णोदक्षाय विष्णु. हाँ,
the second Purush is Garbhodakshai,
गर्भोदक्षाय विष्णु,
and the third Purush is
शिरोदक्षाय विष्णु.
in whom is contemplated the Virat Purush, the gigantic form in which all the planets with their different developments and inhabitants are floating.
मैं
जी
पढ़ता हूँ.
जी
यस्मिन् दशविध प्राण सेनिन्द्रियार्थे इन्द्रियस्त्रिवर्त्वरितो यतो वर्णास्तद्विभुर्वदस्वः न.
जी यस्मिन् दशविधा प्राणः सेन्द्रियार्थेन्द्रिय यस्त्रिवृत् त्वयेरितो यतो वर्णास्त
वदस्व विभूतिर्वदस्व वा न.
नः.
No. O great Brahman, you have told me that the gigantic Virat form and his senses, sense objects, and 10 kinds of life here exist with 3 kinds of life vigor. Now, if you will kindly explain to me the different parts of the specific divisions. X24. यत्र पुत्रैश्च पौत्रैश्च नप त्रिभिः सह गोत्रजयः प्रजा विचित्राकृतय आसन या भी त्रिदम ततम.
यत्र पुत्रैश्च पौत्रैश्च नप्त्रिभिः सह
गोत्रजयः प्रजा विचित्राकृतय आसन याभिरिदम ततम.
Oh
my Lord, I think that the prowess manifests in the form of sons, grandsons, and family members has spread all over the universe in different varieties and species. X25. प्रजापतीनां सपतिश्च कलिपे कान प्रजापतीन् सर्वांगश्रैवानुसंगर्श्च मनुन्मनवन्तराधिपान्.
जी प्रजापतीनां
सपतिश्च कलिपे कान प्रजापति सर्गश्च
सर्वांश्च मनून्
अधिपान. O Lord Brahman, please describe how the leader of all the demigods, namely Prajapati, Brahma, decided to establish the various Manus in the head of ages. Please describe the Manus also, and please describe the descendants of those Manus. अब पढ़ो तो.
परपोर्ट परपोर्ट ना पढ़ेंगे।
नहीं नहीं, परपोर्ट मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ वो, सॉरी सॉरी। द
अच्छा अच्छा।
ह्यूमन रेस और मनुष्य सरा descends from the Manus, sons and grandsons of Prajapati Brahma. The descendants of Manu reside in all the different planets and rule all the universe.
जी।
हम्म,
उपर्य धश्च ये लोका अ, भूमेर मित्रात्म जासते तेषां संस्थां प्रमाणं च भूर्लोकस्य च वर्णे।
उपर्यधश्च ये लोका भूमे मित्र जासते तेषां संस्थां प्रमाणं च भूर्लोकस्य च वर्णय।
जी। O son of Mitra, kindly describe how the planets are situated above the earth as well as underneath it, and also please mention their measurement as well as that of earthly planets. यस्मिन् यस्मिन् विजनाते सर्वम् इवाम विजनातम भवति।
भवति।
Mundaka Upanishad 1.3. This Vedic hymn describes emphatically that the devotee of the Lord knows everything material and spiritual in relationship with the Lord. Devotees are not simply emotional, as is as is ill-conceived by certain less intelligent men. Their direction is practical. They know everything that is and all the details of the Lord's domination over the different creations. Hmm.
हम्म,
Text 17. तिर्यंड मानुष देवानाम सरीसृप सरीसृप पतत्रिणाम वद नः सर्ग संव्यूहम गार्भ स्वेद द्विजोद भिदाम।
त्रियंग मानुष देवानाम सरीसृपपत त्रिराम वद नः सर्ग संव्यूहम गार्भ स्वेद द्विजोदभिदाम।
जी। Also, please describe the living beings under different classifications: subhumans, humans, those born of the embryo, those born of perspiration, those who are twice born birds, and the plants and vegetables. Kindly describe their generation and subdivisions also. गुणावतारे र विश्वस्य सर्ग स्थित्य प्य या श्रियम सृजता श्रीनिवासस्य व्याच शोदार विक्रमम।
गुणावतारे वीरेशस्य सर्ग स्थितत्य याश्रयं सृजतः श्रीनिवासस्य व्याच शवदोदार विक्रमम्।
Please also describe the incarnation of the material mode of nature, Brahma, Vishnu, and Maheshwar. And please describe the incarnation of the Supreme Personality of Godhead and his magnanimous activities. Purport. Although Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh, the three incarnations of the material mode of nature, are the principal deities for the creation, maintenance, and destruction of the cosmic manifestation, they are not the final authority. The Supreme Personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, is the ultimate goal, the cause of all causes. He is the uh,
आश्रय आश्रय
Ashray, or the final rest of everything.
मैं पढ़ रहा हूँ आगे।
जी।
टेक्स्ट 29। वर्णाश्रम विभागांश रूपशील स्वभावतः ऋषीणाम जन्म कर्माणि वेदस्य च विकर्षणम्।
वर्णाश्रम विभागांश
रूपशील स्वभावतः ऋषीणाम जन्म कर्माणि वेदस्य च विकर्षणम्। O great sage, kindly describe the divisions and orders of human society in terms of symptoms, behaviors, and characteristics of mental equilibrium and sense control. Also, please describe the births of great sages and the categorical divisions of the Vedas. The four statutes and orders of human society, Brahman, Kshatri, Vaishya, and Shudra, as well as the Brahmacharis, Grihast, Vanprasth, and Sannyasis are all divisions of quality education, culture, and spiritual advancement attained by practicing control of mind and senses. All these divisions are based on particular nature of each individual person, not on the principle of birth. Birth is not mentioned in the verse because the birth is immaterial. Vidura is famous in the history as born of a Shudrani mother, yet he is more than a Brahmana by qualification because he is seen here to be a disciple of great sage Maitreya Muni. Unless one achieves at least the Brahmanical qualifications, one cannot understand the Vedic hymns. Mahabharata is also a division of the Vedas, but it is meant for women, Shudras, and Dvij the worthless children of the higher section. The less intelligent section of society can avail themselves of the Vedic instructions simply by studying the Mahabharata. है ना? तो महाभारत कोई खराबी नहीं है, आप वहां से स्टार्ट करिए.
जी.
टेक्स्ट 30 यज्ञस्य च वितानानि योगस्य च पथः प्रभो नैष्य कर्मस्य च सांख्यस्य तंत्रम वा भगवत स्मृतम.
यज्ञस्य च
वितानानि योगस्य च पथः प्रभो नैष्कर्मस्य च सांख्यस्य तंत्रम वा भगवत स्मृतम. Please also describe the expansion of different sacrifices and the paths of mystic powers, analytical study of knowledge and devotional service, all with their respective regulations. The word tantram is significant here. Sometimes tantram is misunderstood to be black spiritual science of materialistic persons engaged in sense gratification. But here tantram means the science of devotional service compiled by Srila Narad Muni. One can take advantage of such regulative explanations of the path of devotional service and make progressive advancement in devotional service of the Lord. Sankhya philosophy is the basic principle of acquiring knowledge, as will be explained by sage Maitreya. The Sankhya philosophy enunciated by Kapil Dev, the son of Devhuti, is the real source of knowledge about the supreme truth. Knowledge not based on Sankhya philosophy is mental speculation and can yield no tangible profit. है ना?
जिया जी,
हाँ,
जो लोग हठ योग के बारे में नहीं पढ़ रहे थे, तो हमें ऐसा लगता है कि जब इस बात को थोड़ा सा मैं एनालाइज करती हूँ तो हठ योग यदि मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये चीज है कि जैसे मान लीजिए आपने भगवान की भक्ति से रिलेटेड कोई रूल बनाया कि मैं पहले 3 बजे उठूंगा, फिर मैं स्नान आदि करूंगा, फिर पूजा अर्चना करूंगा, फिर इन चीजों को पढ़ूंगा, है ऐसे करूंगा. आपने पूरा सिस्टमैटिक प्लान बनाया और फिर जब आप उसको करने लगे तो आपका मन विचलित होने लगा. कभी मन करेगा कि नहीं अभी बहुत ठंड लग रही, मैं नहाऊंगा नहीं, मैं ये नहीं करूंगा, वो नहीं करूंगा. तो हठ योग का मतलब ये है जी कि जो हमने रूल बना लिया है अपने प्रति इतना कड़ा हो जाना कि अब हमने जो बना लिया वो हमें करना है, चाहे हमें ठंड लग रही हो चाहे हमें गर्मी लग रही हो. इसी का एक एक्सट्रीम फॉर्म है हठ योग जी. हठ योग में कुछ भी निगेटिव नहीं है सब पॉजिटिव, लेकिन अपने प्रति बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रिक्टनेस है किसी एम को अचीव करने को लेके.
नहीं क्रम है, मतलब हठ योग हम तो उसको खाली मतलब रेगुलेशन ऑफ एयर जो है ना, जो जो लोग
जी
करते
जी
हैं क्रम है, मतलब
हाँ, जी
ऑफ कोर्स उसके लिए आपको तैयारी तो करनी ही पड़ेगी स्ट्रिक्ट
हाँ,
सेंस में, लेकिन
जी
वो बैठ करके ब्रेथ कंट्रोल ही है। वो हठ
हाँ,
योग वो हर एक के बस का नहीं है। और जैसा
जी
कल भी डिस्कस हो रहा था, तो अर्जुन ने भी मना कर दिया कि भाई मैं नहीं कर सकता
हम्म,
वो।
यही 31 मुझे पढ़ना है ना?
हाँ हाँ, 3 हो गए मेरे शायद, हाँ।
जी जी। पाषंड पथ।
लेकिन वो जो है ना, वो तुम्हारा डिसिप्लिन इन डिवोशनल सर्विस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यस।
जी
बट
बिल्कुल।
एट द सेम टाइम, मतलब ऐसा हो सकता है, इसीलिए तो बार बार ये कहना ना कि एक्चुअली एज यू आर यंग इट इज इजियर फॉर यू टू
यस
डिसिप्लिन, मतलब इंडल्ज इन सच डिसिप्लिन। जैसे अब
बिल्कुल।
वहां पे यंग डिवोटीज हैं, वो दे आर एबल टू टॉलरेट द कोल्ड। अब जैसे पुजारी सेवा जो है वहां पर,
हाँ
जो ऑल्टर पे होती है,
जी
वो इट इज क्वाइट टफ। मतलब इट इज क्वाइट टफ इन
हाँ,
द सेंस कि
हम्म,
आप चाहे भयंकर जाड़ा है तब भी आप कपड़े नहीं पहन सकते ऊपर के पोर्शन पे, जस्ट एक हल्का सा कॉटन का क्लॉथ ही डाल सकते हैं। और
तो ये वो लोग बीमार तो नहीं पड़ते हैं?
हम्म।
वो लोग बीमार तो नहीं पड़ते जी जी?
हाँ हाँ, मतलब वॉट एवर क्रम में, और पैरों में चप्पल नहीं पहने होते हैं, तो और संगमरमर का फर्श होता है ऑल्टर, तो वो
अच्छा।
काफी टफ है, मतलब ऐसा नहीं है। तो इसीलिए मतलब लोग यंग एज में तो हो जाता है ये सब, है ना।
जी
लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है, देर आर ऑलवेज थिंग्स विच यू कैन डू इन ओल्ड एज, मतलब
हम्म
है ना। मतलब ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई आप मन ही मन में जप कर सकते हैं, या भगवान को याद कर सकते हैं, या जो
अच्छा,
जैसा भी है ना।
हाँ
देर इज नो
बिल्कुल।
सच थिंग एज कर्म, है ना। मतलब ऐसे तो मतलब आप अपने आप को कुछ भी समझा सकते हैं कि ये कुछ नहीं होता, ये कुछ नहीं होता, है ना,
हम्म।
इससे कुछ नहीं होता, लाइक दैट।
जी। पाषंड पथ वैषम्यम प्रतिलोम निवेशनम जीवस्य गतियो याश्च यावतीर गुण कर्मजाः।
पाषंड पथ वैषम्यम प्रतिलोम निवेशनम जीवस्य गतयो याश्च यावतीर्गुण कर्मजा।
जी। Please also describe the imperfections and contradictions of the faithless atheist, the situation of crossbreeding, and the movement of the living entities in various species of life according to their particular mode of nature and work. The combination of living entities in different modes of material nature is called crossbreeding. The faithless atheists do not believe in the existence of God, and thus their path of philosophy are contradictory. Atheistic,
एथिस्टिक फिलोसफी।
atheistic philosophies never agree with one another. Different species of life are evidence of various mixtures of the modes of material nature.
हम्म।
धर्मार्थ काम मोक्षणानाम निमित्तान्य विरोधता वार्ताया दंड दंडनी तेषश्च श्रुतस्य च विधिं पृथक्।
धर्मार्थ काम मोक्षाणाम निमित्तान्य विरोधत वार्ताया दंड नीतेश्च श्रुतश्च च विधिम पृथक्।
जी। You may also describe the non-contradictory causes of religiosity, economic development, self-gratification, and the salvation, and also the different means of livelihood and different process of law and order as mentioned in the revealed scriptures.
हम्म। हम्म। हो गया
श्राद्ध
तुम्हारे।
ये लास्ट पढ़ने जा रहे हैं।
हम्म।
श्राद्धस्य च विधिं ब्रह्मन् पितॄणां सर्गमेव च ग्रह नक्षत्र ताराणां काल वय व्य का सॉरी काला वैव संस्थितिम।
श्राद्धस्य च विधिम ब्रह्मन् पितॄणां सर्गमेव च ग्रह नक्षत्र आरणाम कालावय व संस्थितम।
हम्म। Please also explain the regulation for offering respect to the forefathers, the creation of the Pitrlok, the time schedule in the planets, stars, luminaries, and their respective situations. The time duration of day and night, as well as months and years, are different in different planets, stars, and luminaries. The higher planets like the Moon and the Venus have time measurement different from those of the Earth. It is said that 6 months of this planet are equal to one day of the higher planets. In Bhagavad Gita, the duration of one day in Brahmulok is measured to be 100 times the four
1000 times the 4 yugas.
1,000 times the four yugas, or these many years multiplied by 100, 1,000, and the month and the year in Brahmulok are calculated in that measure.
हम्म अब ये थोड़ा सा इतना ये इस टाइप के सवाल पूछने का पर्पस क्या है वो तो समझ में आएगा।
मुझे ऐसा समझ में आता है कि
हम्म
अभी हमारी आत्मा अभी जो हम लोग हैं वो सांसारिक चीजों में बहुत डीपली इनग्रॉस्ड है, इसलिए हम लोग का ध्यान इन तरफ नहीं जाता है। जब हम इन सब चीजों से हमारी जो जो सेंसेस है इनके जब बंधन से हम बाहर निकलेंगे तो हमारी जिज्ञासा इस
हाँ
लेवल की
देन हाँ तब ये जिज्ञासा बिल्कुल करेक्ट है। आई थिंक रमन यू हिट द नेल ऑन द हेड।
यही देखिए, जैसे जब लोग मैथ्स पढ़ते हैं तो कुछ बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जो बेसिक जो रूल्स है उन्हीं को समझने में टाइम लग जाता है, लेकिन जो बच्चे वो बेसिक रूल समझ जाते हैं वो फिर हायर प्रैक्टिकल इम्प्लीमेंटेशन जो उन क्वेश्चंस का है उन पे विचार करते हैं। मैं इसको ऐसे
करेक्ट।
समझती हूँ, है ना जी
हाँ
जी।
हाँ 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 ये इसका मतलब यही है कि जो डिपेंडिंग ऑन जब आप एक बार स्पिरिचुअलिटी में जाते हैं देन यू स्टार्ट वंडरिंग अबाउट सच
हाँ।
थिंग्स।
और जिया जी, जो हम लोग इन भक्त को देखते हैं कि जो लोग भगवान की एकदम बस केवल भगवान के चरणों में लगे रहते हैं और केवल भगवान के साथ प्रेम में कनेक्ट है, ये जिया जी ये सारे स्टेप्स ये क्रॉस कराते हैं। जिन ये जो मैथ्स है साइंस है जो हम लोग सोचते हैं, तो ये जो भगवान के चरणों में आके बस प्रेम में पड़ गए हैं, ये लोग जिया जी सारा कुछ समझ के क्रॉस करके आ चुके हैं, चाहे वो उन्होंने इस जन्म में किया हो चाहे प्रीवियस जन्म में किया हो।
मे बी
जी,
यस
दे आर
यस।
वेरी वेरी इंटेलिजेंट जिया जी। और जिया जी एक चीज और है, ये सारा कुछ समझ चुके हैं, चाहे वो मैथ्स हो चाहे साइंस हो चाहे जो कुछ हो, उसकी निरर्थकता समझ के इसको छोड़ के भगवान के प्रेम में लगे हैं।
हाँ 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 हाँ
जी
काफी लोग आज की डेट पे भी ऐसे हैं,
जी।
है ना,
दान
क्योंकि
जी
उसकी निरर्थकता को समझ
जी
चुके हैं। करेक्ट।
समझ गए हैं जी जी जी।
मैं पढ़ता हूँ मैं।
यही देखिए, हम लोग इसको ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि मान लीजिए मैं मैथ में पीएचडी हूँ जिया जी, ठीक, और मैं करोड़ों के पैकेज पे काम कर रही थी, तो सिंपल बात ये है कि चाहे मैं मैथ्स में पीएचडी हूँ और चाहे मैं साइंस में पीएचडी हूँ, मरूंगी मैं भी, संसार छोड़ के मैं भी जाऊंगी, सिंपल सी एक बात। तो ये जी निरर्थकता हो गई। तो अब भगवान के प्रेम में लगना कि जिससे अब हम इस लेवल पे काम करें कि मरने के बाद क्या, ये चीज है।
हाँ हाँ अगर ये आपके समझ में आ जाए तो फिर तो बहुत बड़ी बात है
जी
ना। मैं निरर्थकता जो है ना वही तो लोग नहीं समझ पाते हैं,
जी
है ना, वही सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज है।
बिल्कुल।
निरर्थकता वो यस यस।
हाँ
और द वेरी फैक्ट की कर्म है, मतलब हम लोग थोड़ा बहुत कर रहे हैं।
जी जी बिल्कुल। दानस्य तत्व।
मैं मेरे को पढ़ना है नहीं
अच्छा
अब
जी।
मेरा नंबर है क्या?
हाँ जी जी।
हाँ टेक्स्ट 34।
हम्म।
दानस्य तपसो वापि यचेष्टा पूर्तयो फलम प्रवास प्रवासस्थ्यस्य यो धर्मो यंच पुंस उतापदि
हाँ दानस्य
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 तपसो वापि
तपसापि
यचेष्टा पूर्तयो
चेष्टा
फलम
पूर्तयो फलम
प्रवासस्थ्यस्य
प्रवासो
यो धर्मो यंच
धर्मो
पुंस
यस्य
उतापदि।
उतापदि।
Please also describe the fruitive results of charity and penance and of digging reservoirs of water. Please describe the situation of persons who are away from home and also the duty of a man in an awkward position.
हम्म
The digging of reservoirs of water for public use is great work of charity, and retiring from family life after 50 years of age is a great act of penance performed by sober human being.
हम्म
Text 35.
जी
येन वा भगवा स्तुते तुस्तुषे धर्म योनि जनार्दन संप्रसीदति वा येषामेतदाख्या हि मेनघ।
हम्म
येन
ये का
वा भगवान
भगवान
तुष्येद
तुष्य
धर्म योनिर्जनार्दन संप्र संप्र संप्रसिद्धि सिद्धयति वा येषाम्
मेत
एताद अखि अयलाहि मे नघ।
मेनक
O sinless one, because the personality of Godhead, the controller of all living entities, is the father of all religion, and those who are candidates for religious activities kindly describe how he can be completely satisfied. ये अच्छा क्वेश्चन है. Yes, all religious activities are meant ultimately to satisfy the supreme personality of Godhead. The Lord is father of all religious principles, as stated in Bhagavad Gita 7.16. Four kinds of pious men: the needy, the distressed, the enlightened, and the inquisitive, approach the Lord in devotional service, and their devotion is mixed with material affection. But above them are the pure devotees, whose devotion is not tainted by any material tinges of fruitive work or speculative knowledge. Those who are only miscreants throughout their lives are compared to demons. They are bereft of all knowledge in spite of any academic educational career they may pursue. Such miscreants are never candidates for satisfying the Lord. Na?
जी
Text 36. अनुव्रतानां शिष्याणां पुत्राणां च द्विजोत्तम अनापृष्ठिमपि ब्रूयुर्गौरवो दीनवत्सला।
जी अनुव्रतानां
व्रतानां शिष्याणां पुत्राणां च
द्विजोत्तम
द्विजोत्तमम् अनापृष्ठमपि ब्रूयुर्गौरवो दीनवत्सला। O best among the Brahmins, those who are spiritual Brahmins, spiritual masters, are very kind to the needy. They are always kind to their followers, disciples, and sons, and without being asked by them, the spiritual master describes all that is knowledge. There are many subjects to be known from the bona fide spiritual master. The followers, disciples, and sons are all on one level of bona fide spiritual master. And he is always kind to them and always speaks to them on transcendental subjects, even though he is not asked by them. That is the nature of bona fide spiritual master. Vidur appealed to Maitreya Muni to speak on subjects about which he might not have asked.
अब ये सेंटेंस देखिए कितना अजीब है कि विदुर अपील टू मैत्रेय मुनि टू स्पीक ऑन सब्जेक्ट्स अबाउट विच ही माइट नॉट हैव आस्क्ड। मतलब जिज्ञासा का लेवल देखिए नहीं है जी।
हाँ भाई वो यस यस उनको ये भी लगा होगा कि भैया इतना बड़ा मौका बार बार कहाँ आएगा, है ना, इसलिए मतलब उनको रेस्ट्रिक्ट ना करूं मैं अपने क्वेश्चंस से, है ना, उनकी जो मर्म जिज्ञासा है वो तुमने सही पकड़ा है। यस है ना,
यही मुझे करना है।
हाँ यस
जी तत्वानाम भगवन स्तेषाम कतिधा प्रति संक्रमः तत्रेमं का उपासीरन का उ स्विदनुशीर्ते।
तत्वानां भगवन्त तेषां कतिधा प्रति संक्रमः तत्रेम क उपासीरन क उ स्विदनुशेरते।
जी, please describe how many dissolutions there are for the elements of material nature and who survives after the dissolution to serve the Lord while he is asleep.
अरे वाह, बहुत ही अच्छा।
जी, in the Brahma Samhita 5.4748 it is said that all the material manifestations with innumerable universe appear and disappear with the breathing of Mahavishnu lying in Yog Nidra.
योग निद्रा,
स्लीप। जी हाँ, ये पढ़ रहे हैं। यह
कर्णवा जले भजति
भजति
स्म योगा,
योगा निद्रा
निद्रम अनंत जगद अंध सरोमा कुप
कूपा
आधार शक्तिम अवलंब्य परम
शक्तिम
स्वमूर्तिम गोविंदम
पारम
अधिपुरुषम तम अहम भजामि।
तम अहम भजामि।
यस्या वेका
याक
निश्वासिता कालम अथावालंब्य जीवन्ति लोमा विलज जगद अंध नातः विष्णुर्महान् स इह यस्य काला विशेषो गोविंदम आदिपुरुषम तम अहम भजामि।
Govinda, the ultimate and supreme personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna, lies sleeping unlimitedly on the causal ocean in order to create unlimited number of universe. During that sleep, he lies on the water by his own internal potency, and I wish that original supreme Godhead. Due to his breathing, innumerable universe come into existence, and when he withdraws his breath, there occurs the dissolution of all lords of the universe. That plenary portion of the Supreme Lord is called Mahavishnu, and he is part of the part of Lord Krishna. I worship Govinda, the original Lord. After the dissolution of the material manifestation, the Lord and his kingdom beyond the causal ocean do not disappear, nor do the inhabitants, the Lord's associate. The associates of the Lord are far more numerous than the living entities who have forgotten the Lord due to material association. The impersonalist explanation of the word aham in the 4 verses of the original Bhagavatam, aham, Ivasam, Ivagre, etc., is refuted here. The Lord and his eternal associate remain after the dissolution. Vidura's inquiry about such person is clear indication of the existence of all paraphernalia of the Lord. This is also confirmed in Kasi Khand, as quoted by Jiva Goswami and Srila Vishwanath Goswami, who follow in the footsteps of Srila Sridhar Swami.
अच्छा पंते यद भक्ता महात्मा प्रलयापदि अतोच्युतो खिले लोके स एकः सर्वगो व्यायः.
The devotees of the Lord never annihilate their individual existence, not even after the dissolution of the entire cosmic manifestation. The Lord and the devotees who associate with him are always eternal in both the material and spiritual world. जी
मैं पढ़ना है?
जी जी जी.
Text 38. पुरुषस्य च संस्थानं स्वरूपं वा परस्य च ज्ञानं च नैगं यत् गुरु शिष्य प्रयोजनम्.
पुरुषस्य
च संस्थानं स्वरूपं वा परस्य च ज्ञानं च नैगं यत् तत् गुरु शिष्य प्रयोजनम्. Translation: What are the truths regarding the living entities and the Supreme Personality of Godhead. What are their identities? What are the specific values in knowledge in Vedas, and what are the necessities for the spiritual master and his disciples?
Hmm.
Purport: the living entities are constitutionally servitors of the Lord, who can accept all kinds of service from everyone. It is clearly declared, Bhagavad Gita 5.29, that the Lord is the supreme enjoyer of the benefits of all sacrifices and penances, the proprietor of all that is manifested and friend of all living entities. That is his real identity. Therefore, when the living entity accepts this supreme proprietorship of the Lord and acts in that attitude, he resumes his real identity. In order to elevate the living entity to this standard of knowledge, there is the necessity of spiritual association. The bona fide spiritual master desires that his disciple know the process of rendering transcendental service to the Lord, and the disciple also knows that they have to learn about the eternal relationship between the God and the living entity from a self realized soul. To disseminate transcendental knowledge, one must retire from mundane activities on the strength of enlightenment in knowledge in terms of Vedic wisdom. That is the sum and substance of all questions in this verse.
Hmm.
Hmm.
Ah,
39.
जी.
निमित्तानि च तस्ये प्रोक्तान्यनघ सूरिभिः स्वतो ज्ञानं कुतः पुंसां भक्ति वैराग्यमेव वा।
Hmm. निमित्त
निमित्तानि च तस्ये
प्रोक्तान
प्रोक्तान्यनघ
नग
सूरिभिः
स्वतो
स्वतो ज्ञानं कुतः पुंसा
फिर
Bhakti Vairagya Meva. Spotless devotees of the Lord have mentioned the source of such knowledge. How could one have knowledge of devotional service and detachment without the help of such devotees? There are many inexperienced persons who advocate self realization without the help of a spiritual master. They decried the necessity of a spiritual master and try themselves to take his place by propagating the theory that a spiritual master is not necessary. Srimad Bhagavatam, however, does not approve this viewpoint. Even the great transcendental scholar Vyasadeva had need of a spiritual master, and under the instruction of his spiritual master Narad, he prepared this sublime literature, Srimad Bhagavatam. Even Lord Chaitanya, although he is Krishna himself, accepted spiritual master. Even Lord Krishna accepted a spiritual master, Sandipani Muni, in order to be enlightened. And all the acharyas and saints of the world had spiritual masters. In Bhagavad Gita, Arjun accepted Lord Krishna as his spiritual master, although there was no necessity of such a formal declaration. So, in all cases, there is no question about the necessity of expecting a spiritual master. The only stipulation is that the spiritual master should be bona fide. The spiritual master must be in the proper chain of disciplic succession called the parampara system. Suris, Suris are great scholars, but they may not always be anag or spotless. The anag Suri is one who is pure devotee of the Lord. Those who are not pure devotees of the Lord or who want to be an equal level with him are not anagsuri. Pure devotees have prepared many books of knowledge on the basis of authorized scriptures. Srila Rupa Goswami and his associates, under the instruction of Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, have all written various literatures for the guidance of prospective devotees. And anyone who is very serious about raising himself to the standard of pure duty of the Lord must take advantage of those literatures.
हम्म,
है ना?
जी
ये बात है।
जी ये मैं पढ़ूं?
पढ़ो।
हाँ। एतान्मे प्रच्छितः प्रश्नान् हरेः कर्म विवित्सया ब्रूहि मेघस्य मित्रत्वादजया नष्टचक्षुषा।
एतान्मे पृच्छतः प्रश्नान् हरे कर्म विवित्सया ब्रूहि मे गस्य मित्रत्वादजया नष्ट चक्षुषः।
My dear sage, I have put all these questions before you with a view to knowing the pastime of Hari, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. You are the friend of all, so kindly describe them for all those who have lost their vision. Purport. Vidur put forward many varieties of questions with a view to understanding the principles of transcendental loving service to the Lord. As stated in Bhagavad Gita 2.41, devotional service to the Lord is one, and the mind of the devotee is not diverted to many branches of uncertainties. Vidra's purpose was to be situated in that service to the Lord, wherein one merges undivertedly. He claims the friendship of Maitreya Muni not because he was Maitreya's son, but because Maitreya was actually the friend of all who have lost their spiritual vision due to material influence. 41. सर्वे वेदाश्च यज्ञाश्च तपो दानानि चानघ जीवा भय प्रदानस्य न कुर्वीरन् कलामपि।
सर्वे वेदांश्च यज्ञाश्च तपोदानानि चानघ जीवा भय प्रदानस्य न कुर्वीरन् कलामपि।
जी। O spotless one, your answer to all these questions will grant immunity from all material miseries. Such charity is greater than all Vedic charities, sacrifices, penances, etc. Purport. The highest perfectional work of charity is to give people in general immunity from the anxieties of material existence. This can be done only by performing activities in devotional service to the Lord. Such knowledge is incomparable. Cultivation of the knowledge in the Vedas, performance of sacrifices, and distribution of munificent charities altogether cannot form even a part of the immunity from the pangs of material existence that is gained from devotional service. The charity of Maitreya not only will help Vidur, but due to its universal nature will deliver all others in all times. Thus Maitreya is immortal.
मेरा नंबर है।
श्री शुक, ये थर्ड है जी मेरा। श्री शुक उवाच स इत्थ मापृष्ट पुराण कल्पः कुरु प्रधानेन मुनि प्रधानः प्रवर्ध हर्षो भगवत कथायाम संचदित्रस्तम प्रहसन्निवाह।
स इत्थमापृष्ठ पुराण कल्पः। श्री शुक उवाच स इत्थमापृष्ठ पुराण कल्पः कुरु प्रधानेन मुनि प्रधानः प्रविर्द हर्षो भगवत कथायाम संचोदितस्तम प्रहसन्निवाह।
जी। Translation. Sri Shukdev Goswami said, thus the chief of the sages, who was always enthusiastic about describing topics regarding the personality of Godhead, began to narrate the descriptive explanation of the Puranas, being so infused by Vidur. He was very enlivened by speaking on the transcendental activities of the Lord. Great learned sages like Maitreya Muni are always very enthusiastic about describing the transcendental activities of the Lord. Maitreya Muni, being thus invited by Vidur to speak, appeared to be smiling because he actually felt transcendental bliss. Thus, the end of Bhakti Vedanta purport of the third canto, seventh chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam, entitled Further Inquiries by Vidur. Chapter 8, Manifestation of Brahma from Garbhodakshai Vishnu. 3.8.1 मैत्रेय उवाच सत्सेवनीयो बत पुरवंशो यल्लोकपालो भगवत्प्रधानः बभूविथे हाजित कीर्तिमालां पदे पदे नूतन यस्य भीक्षणम्.
सत्सेव मैत्रेय उवाच सत्सेवनीयो वत पूर्ववंशो यल्लोकपालो भगवत्प्रधानं बभूविथेह जित कीर्तिमालां पदे पदे नूतनस्य भीक्षणम्.
जी. Translation. The great sage Maitreya Muni said to Vidur, the royal dynasty of King Puru is worthy to serve the pure devotees because all the descendants of that family are devoted to personality of Godhead. You are also born in that family, and it is wonderful that because of your attempt, the transcendental pastime of the Lord are becoming newer and newer at every moment. Purport. The great sage Maitreya thanked Vidur and praised him by reference to his family glories. The Puru dynasty was full of devotees of personality of Godhead and was therefore glorious because they were not attached to impersonal Brahm or to the localized Paramatma, but were directly attached to Bhagwan, the personality of Godhead. They were worthy to render service to the Lord and his pure devotees. Because Vidur was one of the descendants of that family, naturally he engaged in spreading wide and ever new glories of the Lord. Maitreya felt happy to have such glorious company as Vidur. He considered the company of Vidur most desirable because such association can accelerate one's dormant propensities for devotional service.
मैं पढ़ता हूँ मैं. सोहम निर्णाम शुल्ल सुखाय दुखम महद गतानाम विरामाय तस्य प्रवर्तये भागवतम पुराणम यदा साक्षात् भगवान ऋषिभ्यः.
सोहम नृणाम
शल्लु दुखम महद गतानाम विरामाय तस्य प्रवर्तये भागवतम पुराणम यदा साक्षात् भगवत ऋषिभ्यः. Let me now begin speaking on the Bhagavad Puran, which was directly spoken to great sages by the personality of Godhead for the benefit of those who are entangled in the extreme miseries for the sake of very little pleasure. Purport: the sage Maitreya proposed to speak on Srimad Bhagavatam because it was especially compiled and traditionally comes down in the disciplic succession for the solution of all the problems of human society. Only one who is fortunate can have opportunity to hear Srimad Bhagavatam in the association of pure devotees of the Lord. Under the spell of material energy, the living entities are entrapped in bondage of many difficulties simply for the sake of a little bit of material happiness. They engage in fruitive activities not knowing the implications. Under the false impression that the body is the self, the living entities foolishly relate to so many false attachments. They think that they can engage with materialistic paraphernalia forever. This gross misconception of the life is so strong that a person suffers continually, life after life, under the external energy of the Lord. If one comes in contact with the book Bhagavatam as well as the devotee Bhagwat, who knows the who knows what the Bhagavatam is, then such a fortunate man gets out of the material entanglement. Therefore, Sri Maitreya Muni, out of compassion for suffering men in the world, proposes to speak on Srimad Bhagavatam first and last. है ना?
जी।
आसीन मुव्याम भगवंत माध्यम संकर्षणम देव मकुंठ सत्वत्वम विवित्स वस्तत्वम मतः परस्य कुमार मुख्या मुनियो न पृच्छन्।
जी। आसीन
आसीन मुव्याम
पंत माध्यम
संकर्षणम देव कुंठम सत्वम विवित्स स्वत्वमतः परस्य कुमार मुख्या मुनियो न पृच्छन्। Some time ago, being inquisitive to know, Sanat Kumar, the chief of the boy saints, accompanied by great sages, inquired exactly like you about the truths regarding Vasudev, the supreme from Lord Shankarshan, who is seated at the bottom of the universe. This is in clarification of the statement that Lord spoke directly on Srimad Bhagavatam, when and unto whom the Bhagavatam was spoken is explained herewith. Questions similar to those put forward by Vidura were asked by the great sages like Sanat Kumar and Lord Sankarshan, the plenary expansion of the Supreme Lord Vasudev. Lord answered them. मतलब दोनों जने ने पूछा था, है ना?
हाँ जी, मुझे पढ़ना है कि आपको?
2, 3, 4 भी एक और है ये वाला लास्ट। स्वमेव धिष्यणं बहुमान्यतं यद्वासुदेवाभिधमामन्ति प्रत्यगृधृताक्षुम्भु कोजमीश दुन्मीलयन्तं विबुधो ददाय।
स्वमेव धिषणयं बहुमानयन्तं यद्वासुदेवाभिधमामन्ति
प्रत्यगृधृताक्षुम्भुजकोशमीशं दुन्मीलयन्तं विबुधो ददाय।
विबुधोदयाय।
At that time, Lord Sankarshan was meditating upon his Supreme Lord, whom the learned esteem as Lord Vasudeva. But for the sake of the advancement of the great learned sages, he slightly opened his lotus-like eyes and began to speak. है ना? ये जो चार जो शरद कुमार, सनंदन और ये लोग जो थे, इन्होंने पूछा संकर्षण भगवान से कि बताइए आप ये सब चीजें, भागवतम बताइए। तो उन्होंने फिर लिखा, आप पढ़ो।
स्वर धुन्यु दाद्रे स्वजटा कलापे रूप स्पृशन्तश्च रणोपधानम पदम यदर्चन्यत्य हिराज कन्याः सप्रेम नाना बलिभिर्रार्थाः।
स्वर्धुन्युदाद्रे स्वजटा कलापे रूप स्पृशन्तश्च ऋणोपधानम पद्मं यदर्चन्त्य हिराज कन्या सप्रेम नाना बलिभिर्रार्थाः।
जी। The sages came from the highest planets down to the lower region through the water of the Ganga, and thereafter the hair on their heads was wet. They touched the lotus feet of the Lord, which was worshipped with various paraphernalia by the daughters of the serpent king when they desired good husbands. The Ganga, एक मिनट. The, the Ganga water flows directly from the lotus feet of Vishnu, and its course runs from the highest planet of the universe down to the lowest. The sages came down from Satyalok by taking advantage of the flowing water, a process of transportation made possible by the power of mystic yoga. If a river flows thousands and thousands of miles, a perfect yogi can at once transport himself from one place to another simply by dipping in its water. The Ganga is the only celestial river which flows throughout the universe, and great sages travel all over the universe via the sacred river. The statement that their hair was wet indicates that it was directly moistured by the water originating from the lotus feet of Vishnu, the Ganga. Whoever touches the water of the Ganga to his head surely touches the lotus feet of the Lord directly and can become free from all effects of sinful acts. If after taking bath in the Ganga or being washed of all sins, a man guards himself against committing further sinful act, then certainly he is delivered. But if he again takes up sinful activities, his bath in Ganga is as good as that of the elephant who nicely takes his bath in a river but later spoils the whole thing by covering himself with dust on the land.
हम्म।
तो जी आज इतना रखें.
हाँ, यहाँ पर फिर हम खत्म करते हैं। तो
जी.
ये बड़ा अच्छा था क्रम है अभी
हम्म.
तक, है ना, क्योंकि अब आंसर शुरू हुए हैं।
हम्म. हम्म.
ठीक है। तो अब हरे हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे.
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे.
हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे।
हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे.